Hey crypto family, welcome back to CryptoTube. I'm host Paras, and in today's video, I will talk about C crypto once again. Now, guess what? I talked about C token around few months back when this token was launched, and guess what? It was crashing like crazy. People who invested lost their money, and they believe that this token will never go up. And that time, I created a video telling to hold these tokens because this token will pump in the coming few months. And the chart is in front of you. You can see the token has pumped like crazy, and it is going up and up. So this video I will reiterate or reaffirm my stand on C token, and I believe that this token can go beyond $1 and may hit $100 in the coming bull run. Of course, I will give a proof and I will compare it with the established blockchain and give you a complete technical overview of C token. So stay with me till the end of the video. Now before I begin, remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't done already, and remember to click the link shared in the description of this video and join our Telegram community where you find all the information necessary to make you succeed in your crypto journey. So click on the link below and join our Telegram community right away. So this is about C token. This is a technical chart. I remember covering this C token around 4 months back, and this was the video that I created, and in this video, I have explained everything about the C. If you want to check out this video, just click on the link above or in the description to know everything about the C token. And today, let's focus on the technical chart. So this is the technical chart of C token. You can see right over here. Token was launched successfully on day 1, and then it crashed, and then it almost dumped, and then it revived. It has a rebirth, and now it is pumping back again. It made a low of around this region, which is around 19th of October. That is around 0.09 cents, and now we are talking about 0.45 cent at the time of creating the video, and this is just the beginning of the bull run for the C token. It will pull back, but I guess it will definitely climb up in value in the near term, or maybe in the bull run of 2024. So what happened to C when it was launched? It was launched with high hopes that the token will pump and it will bring value to the buyers or the investors, but then it crashed on the second day and it started crashing, and it never recovered for quite a long time. You can see here this arrow going down here. A total crash was observed and everyone was out of this trade. Most of them who didn't believe in C and who was short-sightedness, but there are some people who believed in C token, and because of them they held on to C, and guess what? They are now witnessing the returns that they wish to get during the launch day. Now the C token is pumping, and I believe this token can very easily cross $1 and may aim to hit $100 in the peak of bull season. Why? I will tell you right away. So check out this chart of C. C pumped on day 1 with a high of 48 cents and a low of 0.06, and then on day 2 it was at 28 cents of high, and then it crashed here. But if you compare this token with an established token, you may want to compare it with Solana. And in the last video, I already compared C with a Solana token, and you find a clear resemblance of C and Solana price action. Just check out the price action of Solana, which I've shared right over here. So this is Solana USD on Binance, and on day 1 of the listing on Binance, it has a pumping value of around $1.42 and a low of 20 cents. And here you can see the price action, which is quite similar to that of C. It started crashing on day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and for several months it started crashing. So this is on 10th of April or 11th of April 2020, and this is the day when it picked up momentum, which is around here. You can call it 6th of July, or you can call it at 24th of July 2020. So around April to July, which is April, May, June, July, around 4 months, it again started back pumping. So compare it with the C. So this is C, right? We have this candle on August 15th or around 16th of August. Like this is 15th of August 2023, and it actually started pumping right now around November or December. You can say we are here at 16th of December 2023. Again, August, September, October, November, and December. So pump here, then stabilizing, and then going up. So this is what happened with C and Solana. They are like sisters when we compare their price action. Almost equal months of gap and almost similar kind of pumping is observed between these tokens. So I believe C will definitely going to copy the price action of Solana in the long run. Of course, that also depends upon the ecosystem, the adoption of the ecosystem, and the growth of projects, which I believe C is having it, because you can see the Twitter handle itself. have around 595k followers already, 598k already. So it is pretty active, pretty wild. Things are looking good on the Twitter page and the social handles. People are following it. There are regular updates of the C token. Even the price looks good. Even the supply looks pretty good. And by looking at the technical chart, you can already see the C is not going to stop at the moment. If I draw a line, a kind of a arrow line, let me just draw a path. So this here is making kind of higher high and higher low. So this is kind of a pure bull run in the making. It started around this area, which is around the end of November, and then it pumped, and now it's pumping back up. Of course, it will stabilize at some point in time, and then it will shoot further. So compare it with the price action of Solana USD. You can see here, this token stabilizes here and then started pumping, and never stopped. And it reached the high of around $5 during this season. So clearly, C will definitely copy this, and it will hit $4 to $5 in the coming few months if the price progresses similarly. So this is my price analysis of the C token by comparing it with Solana back to back, because C is kind of layer 1 blockchain and Solana is also layer 1 blockchain, and both have some kind of a similar ecosystem growth coming up. And guess what? Both ecosystem are growing. Of course, Solana is way ahead now, but if you compare the start of the Solana ecosystem and the start of C ecosystem, they are kind of same. And the plus point that C has over Solana, it is EVM compatible, which makes it more and more interesting. So I can see in the next few months, C can definitely cross $4 to $5, if not $10 to $20. It may cross 10 to 20 also. We don't know how big the bull run will be in 2024. If that happens, C can definitely target around $5 to $10 easily. And this is the proof. So this is the overview of price action between C and Solana. Even if you go down and check the charts, the 4-hour charts, you will see kind of a similar price action. Let me remove this first, and you can see here. Can you see a clear uptrend which is picking up momentum? So this is a start, and you can see the dump here, and from here it is slowly and slowly picking up a good momentum. It's taking the good shape. Higher highs, higher lows. Let me draw it. This is higher highs, this is higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and likewise. It started a little bit of stabilization here, and then again a big high and low, and stabilization here and big high again, and it is going to stabilize here, and after that it is going to go back up. So that is kind of a trend for C token. It is a layer 1 blockchain, and when layer 1 blockchain pumps, it pumps like crazy. It will not stop by just making few cents. It will expand further, and this is the proof, a clear proof of an uptrend which is right there happening in the C trading chart or C 4-hour chart, and daily is a proof of it. 4-hour chart is a proof of it. Of course, hourly chart is definitely the proof of it, and weekly and monthly will support it further. So clearly we are witnessing the uptrend of C token in the coming future, and you can see from the monthly chart itself, the green candle, big green candles, which looks like a big bar, are actually giving us hint that this token is aiming for $1 anytime soon. Of course, the house is divided between the people who compare C with the established blockchains and those who dislike this project. But guess what? This project is here to stay. It is building up slowly and steadily, and I am quite sure that it can hit $100 just like Solana did in the next few months or maybe in the next few years. So I'm quite bullish about C. I want to know your thought about the C token. There's another project that you should look into, and that is your Vara. The problem with Vara is it is only listed on Coinbase, and that is a big negative because not many people can trade it. So it is crashing, it is pumping, and then it is crashing. So it can be a good buy at the moment, but you have to look at its ecosystem, how it is going. But this token has some value. If it gets listed on more exchanges, I think it can bring more value on the table because people are not able to trade it. I'm sitting here in India, in my country, and in the exchanges here, this token is not yet tradable. So that gives Vara a kind of negative impression, and that's why you can see the token is crashing. But we don't know in the next few months if this token gets listed on more and more exchanges. This token can definitely shoot up again. So that is my view. After C, you should focus on Vara. And of course, there are other projects which I have shared in my Telegram. You can join my Telegram and get the clear updates about the new token pumps and new token pre-sale and even the airdrops which I shared on a daily basis. So C is here, Vara is there. We have Solana already pumping. Let me see the price of Solana right now. $113 from a mere crash of $9 when it was crashing like last year. So people who are invested in Solana are enjoying the gains, and same can you if you think C is the token for you, because I believe C can definitely aim higher than this level. With that, I complete my video. Remember to like, share and subscribe if you love C token, if you love watching this channel, and I will come tomorrow with a new token update and maybe a new token launch. Who knows? With that, I see you. Goodbye. Enjoy. Happy New Year. And in 2024, you will have massive gains incoming. Thank you.